Dear friends, welcome back. This series tries to highlight the legacy of Chola dynasty in the Southeast Asian countries from the travel notes of Chinese author Ma Huan, who accompanied the great admiral and explorer of China Zhang He in various expeditions. These travel contains facts about the kings of South India, especially Cholas, in various Southeast Asian countries and in India during the 15th century around 1405 and 1430. The content was taken from the book named Ying Yai Shenglan, meaning the overall survey of the ocean's shores, written by Ma Huan in the year 1433 and translated in English by J.V.G. Mills. This video will highlight their Tamil language writing and punishments in Chola ruled country of Champa, central Vietnam. The Chams adopted the alphabet of southern India, but as from the 8th century, local variations were evolved. The Cham language is a curious mixture of Indonesian and Mon Khmer. As to their writing, they have no paper or pen. They use either goat skin beaten thin or tree bark smoked black, and they fold it into the form of a classical book in which, with white chalk, they write characters which serve for records. In their trading transactions, they currently use pale gold, which is 70% pure, or else they use silver. As to the punishable offences in this country, for light offences, they employ thrashing on the back with a rattan stick. For serious offences, they cut off the nose. For robbery, they sever a hand. For the offence of adultery, the man and the woman are branded on the face so as to make a scar. For the most heinous offences, they take a hard wood, cut a sharp point to it, and sit it up on wood, which resembles a small boat. This they put in the water, and they make the offender sit on the wood spike. The wood protrudes from his mouth and dies. And then the corpse is left on the water as a warning to the public. Again, there is a large pool connected with the sea called the crocodile pool. If in litigation between persons there is a matter which is difficult to elucidate and the officials cannot reach a decision, they make the litigants ride on water buffaloes and cross through this pool. The crocodiles come out and devour the man whose cause is unrighteous. But the man whose cause is righteous is not devoured, even if he crosses 10 times. This is most remarkable. Dear friends, there are many more facts about other countries visited by Zhang He. I will meet you in my next video about Tamil related facts in the country of Chauwa, present-day Java in Indonesia, that were mentioned by Ma Huan in his travel notes. We'll meet you soon. Until then, thank you with wishes.